Hey guys, hello, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for joining me. I had a little delay earlier, guys, and so I had to take care of that before I come on. But nonetheless, guys, I'm here. I am here. I am sorry for just coming in. As you all know, I enjoy what I'm doing, So once I enjoy it, I am going to make the best of it. So yeah, guys, sorry for being late. Thank you very much for coming in. I really appreciate you guys coming in. You said good night. Oh my God. Good night, guys. Good night. Good night. I am so sorry, guys. I had something going on and I had to get rid of whatever was happening. Okay, but I'm here. I'm here for you all. So tonight we're gonna be focusing on algebra, circle theorem, some vectors, some matrices. And we're gonna have fun, guys. Some about statistics as well, a few from statistics. But yes, guys, we are going to make it work. Relation, functions, and graph will be in it as well. Where you find the inverse of functions, you evaluate functions. You find the interquartile range, you find the modal score, and all those good stuff, guys. Even some on bearings. So, guys, thank you very much for coming in. I really appreciate you all. And when I say I do, guys, trust me, I do. I'm not the person who will tell lies like that, I do. I do appreciate you all. So yes, guys, I am here. Hey, Evans, good night. Mixed vibes. Savage Monkey, how are you all doing? How are you guys doing? So maybe tonight, guys, I'll stay for maybe an hour and a half. Even though every time I say hour and a half, I normally go like 3 hours. But tonight, since I'm so late, I'm gonna stay for maybe an hour to an hour and a half, not to bore you guys, all right? But if you're here, guys, feel free to give me a thumbs up if you wish to do so. Please don't give it to me and take it back. So if you don't want to give it to me, guys, I understand and I respect that. Okay? So yeah, guys. Thanks to everyone for coming in. Thanks to everyone for popping in. All right? So feel free, guys, to start the question that you see on the table. Hey, Kenroy, good night, good night. Hey, somebody else called to me, I can't see who. Hey, Rihanna. Hey, Natalie. Guys, I'm sorry to be late. I was just apologizing to the persons who are here that I'm late and I know. And so I won't be staying long, like maybe an hour and a half tops. But yes, guys, I'm happy to be here. And I didn't want to disappoint anyone. So I said to myself, all right, let's just make this work then, because you have the questions already. Just come and just present to my beautiful people, Yes, guys. Feel free to start the question. Some people may do it from last night, as this was practically the homework. Hey, Modest. Welcome. How are you doing? Hey, Young DK. Welcome. Young DK, I see a message me on your place name on Facebook. And you know that once I'm gonna be at the club, I'm gonna be there. Maybe I'm gonna be a little bit late, but I'm gonna show up. Okay? I'm gonna show up. Trust me, guys. I am going to show up. I don't like disappointing people. I don't let people disappoint me. So yes, guys. I am here. So feel free, guys, to start the question. It's all about circle theorem. See, observe that BC, or BOC is the diameter. You know that cut the circle in two halves. You know that OA and BA, they're radii. One radius, another one, so they're radii. And so you know that right there you have isosceles triangles being formed. You know base angles are equal. The length would be equal. So from there you can go ahead and find the length, find the angle. Okay, I'll be in the background. Okay, Modest, I appreciate that. That's fine. Thank you. You go ahead, guys, and find the angle. All right. I need another. Where's the other marker? Oh, Jesus. Where did I put it? It's the green. Oh, it's here. The green one. So, yes, guys. So, go ahead and start the question for me. Please, pretty, please. You guys, go ahead and start the question. If you have any question you want to ask me, guys, you can feel free to do so. And how was the exam today for the exam takers? How did you guys see the exam today? And what exam was done today? How did you see it and what exam was done today? I know I have the timetable on my channel, but I haven't even gone to check the timetable, to be honest. I've been going to refresh my memory to see what's going on today. But I know something is going on, though. I know something went on. I just don't know what. As we speak. So I'm seeing C, 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 C. Oh, POA went on today. B for the first, B for the second. Alrighty, so I'm seeing people have different answers. So I guess they have different in working out. So let's observe, guys, that a base isosceles triangle is formed. So OAB here is basically isosceles triangle. So these two lengths are equal. Hence, these two angles are equal. We also know that angle in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So if these two are 56, you add them up. The answer you get, you subtract that from 180 to give you the answer. Close this door. To give you the answer for the angle at O. Okay, Rochelle is in the building. I see somebody saying hi to Rochelle. Hold on, let me check. I'm not even looking at my chat, guys. Hey, Kemi, welcome. Rochelle, welcome. Big up yourself. Big up yourself, Rochelle. Janelle is in the building. Welcome. Hey, Nick. Welcome. You know, when it's two Nick, I'll say Nick R. But for now, I'm going to just say Nick because I want Nick, Mrs. so far. Come, guys, feel free to give me a thumbs up, man, if you want to. If you take it back, don't bother give me. But yeah, feel free to give me a thumbs up, guys, if you want to. I always lose the homework paper, but eventually I found it tonight. Why paper looks so lean? Why really go on here so? Come on, fix up and look so bad, man. Let's see what's going on for the paper. Yeah, it kind of looks straightish. Go down a little more. Kind of looks straight. Bad up, things miss. I was about to sleep. Oh my, because we come on late, don't it? I apologize to you guys all. Trust me. Mommy would say prefer to be late than never, but I don't like to be late, guys. If I'm going to work, I'm there maybe 1 hour before work start or something. Because I don't like the late business. I feel like it's a rush. And you start panicking and all those stuff. I don't like that, guys. But yeah, guys, I'm here. So, let me see some answers rolling in, guys. I'm seeing B, 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 C, C. Come on, let me go through the first one with y'all. Dang. So determine the size of angle AOB. Use a blue marker. AOB, guys. And so AOB is basically this angle right here. And so we know that OA and OB, these two lengths are equal, hence the angles, the base angles are also equal. So this angle here is also 56. Okay? When you add these two numbers, 56 plus 56, that should give you what, 112? Much as we give, guys, not even know the answer. 112, guys? 100 plus 12, yeah, 112. So when you add these two, you'll get 112 because we know angle in a triangle equal to 180. We'll say 180 minus 112 to give us 68. And so the angle here, theta, is equal to 68. So let me just put it right. So 60, then that you know 8. So this angle here, guys, is equal to 68. And so AOB is equal to 68. Having this angle to be 68, we know that we can find AOC, which is the angle right here, because angles on a straight line equal to 180 degrees. So if here is 68, the angle here would be 180 minus 68, which will give you 112. All right, guys? So the answer for AOC is B. One more thing we can say, angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. And so if this angle here is 56, the angle at the center, and you see it's in the opposite sector or the opposite segment, is equal to 2 times of this, which will give you 112. So you have two different ways of interpreting that question. And so they're both B's. Any question? Anybody do understand something, please say it. And don't be afraid to talk to me, guys. Let's talk, let's discuss, let's have fun while doing it. Okay? Yes, guys, let's have fun while doing it. Don't be afraid to say you don't understand, or don't be afraid to ask any question. Shall we move on to the next question, guys? All right, some people saying shoot. All right, because I didn't do the homework from last night. Yeah, there you go. Put the marker here. The marker here in the progress on the table here, so. So yes, guys, here we go. So the points B 8-1 and C 2-5 are on the same plane. Okay, determine the vector BC. So once you're given points like this, guys, you know they're coming from the origin. So given the point B and the point C, you ask to find BC. So right here, we're dealing with position vectors. And we know position vectors, they always come from the origin. Natalie is saying C for the answer. Okay. Let's see if persons are agreeing with Natalie for the answer. Ooh. Natalie is saying C for the answer. Let's see if we have persons agreeing with Natalie. Denali is saying C as well. So remember, you can feel free, guys, to go ahead and sketch your. And sketch your plane, guys. So it's always coming from the center. Once you're given points like these, it's coming from the center. I'm going to sketch a little graph right down here. So, all right. So that's my origin O. And I have 2, 5, 1, 8. I'm going to put 5 as the largest number. I'm going to put 1 here. So I'm observe 2 right here. Not drawn to scale, so guys, don't penalize me. And 8 right here. So B is 8, 1. So 8 on the x-axis, you move 1 unit up. So that's B. And C is 2, 5. So it's 2 to 5. That's C. So remember, guys, when this position vector it moves from the... Damn, I don't want to color here. It moves from the point or from the origin to the point, from the center to that point. Maybe the marker here too dull. What could I do me today? No. All right, let's go. So it's gonna be from O to B and from O to C. So it's going this direction. All right, guys. So you want to find BC, which is basically this. So where would you travel, guys? You'll have to go B to O, then O to C. I hope you all are seeing that. So BC is the vector B to O plus O to C. B to O plus O to C. So once you're turning your direction, guys, your magnitude is also affected. And we know C was 2, 5. And we know B to be 8, 1. So once you're turning backwards, guys, your magnitude is affected. If you're not seeing the screen full, guys, feel free to expand your screen. And you can see the diagram that I drew on the paper. So yeah, guys. So let me have some answers for this one. Only 2 persons respond to me so far. What's going on for the other persons? What's going on? What's going on? Young DK saying C as well. All right, let's see what other persons are saying. Guys, you don't understand. Don't be afraid to say you don't understand. Don't be afraid to say explain and all those stuff, okay? Hey, Dicey, welcome, 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 welcome. Don't be afraid, guys, to say you don't understand. Don't be afraid to say miss explain. Because that's the only way. Okay, I understand. All right. Okay. Hey, Journey. Welcome, welcome. Yes, I'm last. All right. So tell me if you understand the point that I made on the graph. I'm going to pull the paper up a little bit. On the graph right here. So what I did was to find the position of B and the position of C on the Cartesians. Let me put in the rest of the numbers we're missing. Something like that. Oh, you draw all of that too. All right, very good. At least you did it some way. You draw all of that already. So you want to go BC, guys. So BC here would be our reluctant vector. So we want to go BC. So we want to go this way. But we have to go from B to O, then from O to C. So you're basically tracking your movements, guys, how to get to BC. Okay? So OB is 8, 1. So BO, you're turning back. So you're going this direction first, then you're going to go down. Are you basically making whatever B is, make it negative? Tell me if you guys understand what I'm saying. Okay, understand. All right, very good. So you have to go B to O. So you're making this vector here, make it negative because you're going opposite direction. So you're going to go X first, then you go down to Y. All right, so you're going to make it, so you're going to be -8, -1. So you're turning your direction, guys, so you have to make it negative. So because OB was 8, 1, BO is going to be the negative of that. So you're changing the direction, so you're changing your magnitude. So OB to OC. OC is already in that position, so you just basically write it back. It didn't change OC any at all. Cool? So from here, guys, you go ahead and you simplify. So it's negative 8 plus 2 and negative 1 plus 4. Let me, also people say, oh, yes, me understand. Oh, okay. All right. Yeah. Yeah, guys. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Saying get any sending me answer for a long time. So I don't understand. And Nick is saying, oh, okay. Yes, Nick. Yes, yes, yes. I'm trying to figure out where the question is. Okay, I understand. All right, very good, very good. That me want here really. Yeah. Not that. All right, the one gonna be something similar to that. So I'm not getting that yet. So that. Alrighty, so send me some answer now, guys. People say they understand, so send me some answer now. I beg you, please send me some answer now. If you don't understand, send me some answer. Let me see what you guys doing right behind this camera where I can't see no face. Okay, Nikki's saying C. Alrighty. So I see C coming up. Let me see what the other persons are saying. Okay, Dicey, I see you as well. You're saying C. Okay. So I guess we're making a C sound then, guys. Okay. I guess we're making a C sound then. Alrighty. Hey, Omar. Welcome, welcome, welcome. It's good to have you here. Welcome, welcome. It's good to have you here. And as usual, some people not gonna say a word. So should I move to the next question? Should I move on, guys? Let me simplify it first. So it's gonna be negative 8 plus 2 and negative 1 plus 4. So I'll give you a negative 6. Where am I get 4 from? Let me crazy. Negative 6, 4. And so the answer is indeed C. Very good, guys. So the answer is C. Should I move to the next question? The chin fees as well on to me. Hold it under so bun up. If you go drive so far tomorrow, I can't drive so far right now. I get it now, miss. All right, very good, very good, very good, very good. So should I shoot? Very good, Kalia, very good. Should I shoot, guys, to the next one? So yes, guys, once you get a question like this and you're given points, you know they're talking about position vectors, all right? So if you can't see it by reading the question like that, don't be afraid to go graphical. Don't be afraid to draw a diagram and sketch it out and look at it. Okay? So remember, it's all about your movement, your magnitude and your direction in which you're moving. This is a very simple one, guys. You know, the vector one is simple as well, but you know, this is also a simple one. So let's go ahead and try this one. So it says simplify. Let me bring the paper down a little more. So it says simplify a quarter times A minus 8B. Simplify a quarter times A minus 8B. And welcome to everybody who is in the live right now. Thank you guys for coming by. Hey, Nay, how are you doing? Girl, I saw your comment on a video and I couldn't even respond to you. I was in a meeting, girl. I couldn't even respond to you. Thing was so intense. I had to sit there and writing and making notes and all that crap. So, yeah. Okay, I see A rolling out. All right. I see people rolling out with an A. All right, guys. I like that. I like that. I like that, guys. Hey, Nicola. Welcome, welcome. It's good to have you in the house. Hey, Trinidadian Princess, aka Empress. Welcome, welcome. It's good to have you in the house. How are you doing? And I hope all the exam takers did their best. Okay? So remember, guys, you apply BODMAS, BIDMAS, PEMDAS, whatever you learn. Apply to this question. So you distribute the quarter to whatever is in the bracket. Okay, guys? It's a quarter times A, a quarter times the next term. Okay? Okay, I'm good. Okay, very good, very good. Like that. Very good, very good. Me late. No, you're not really late, you know. I'm late. We just gone 27 minutes. I'm late. We're not really late, man. I'm late. We're not late. I had a meeting going on, guys, so I had to just sort out that. And it go well long too, but you know. I can't find the other account in a minute. No, I will get in on my email. I'm just God know. Oh my God. Alright, guys. I see A coming. I see A. I see C. I see A again. What's going on? What is spelling? Wanna spell me can't bother? That you not try to spell on the live? No, tell me, no. Tell me for that you not try to spell. Alright, Janelle, I see Janelle saying B. Remember, guys, like terms cannot be added or unlike terms cannot be added or subtracted. Only like terms can be added. Mean you can group like terms, you can group different terms that are like terms. But once they're unlike terms, you can't add them and you can't subtract them. That's a hint to all my takers here. Yes, guys, that's a hint to all you guys. So let me jump right in, guys, and start the distribution. It's going to be a quarter times A. Hey, Khan, welcome. And a quarter times negative 8B. So let's go. So it's a quarter times A and a quarter times a negative 8B. All right? So a quarter times A is a quarter A. A quarter times 8B. You can go ahead and multiply across, or you can simplify the 4 and the 8. It's up to you. Excuse me. So I'm going to go in. I'm going to simplify the 4 and the 8. So 4 into 4 goes 1. Into 8 goes 2. So negative 2B times 1 is a negative 2B. And we can't go any further from here because these two are unlike terms, so they cannot be added. Okay? So it's going to be a quarter A minus 2B. So the answer for this one is A. So double check, guys, and see if you understand what I did. If you don't, feel free to say, Miss Kennedy, may I get that or explain or something. Well, let me know. Okay? Yes, guys, don't be afraid to let me know what's going on. Okay, understand. All right, very good, very good. Okay, good, good. All right, that more want here, that more want here. Yeah, guys, so let's go to the next one. See, Nika bad me up. Nika say next. Okay, next, make me move on. Okay? me move on, guys. Me move on. See it here. Says the root of 64 over 36 plus the root of 16 over 9. Let's go for this one. Look how long me move on. And she says me move on again. Me move on from a couple seconds ago. Me move on from a couple seconds ago. Yeah. So do this one. Remember, we can separate the root to the numerator and the denominator. Alright? Remember that we can do that. And then we simplify it through addition. So another time you all need to know your square root table. We need a square root. Natalie is saying B. Okay, Natalie, I see you. I see you. Ricey's big up yourself, Ricey. Ricey is saying A. Okay. I see you too, Ricey. You're saying A. Alright. Nicola is saying B. Janelle is saying B. Okay. Come, guys. Talk to me. Talk to me, man. Talk to me. Connie saying B. Empress saying B. Alright. So it's a B sound then? What's going on? It's a B sound you're going to be making? Let me know, guys. And thank you guys very much for joining. I know I'm late. You guys are still here, so I appreciate you all. Ken Rice saying B. Okay, this is a B sound then. So let me move on and start the question. So what we do, guys, we find the square root of the numerator and the denominator, and the same thing for both terms. So the square root of 64 is 8. The square root of 36 is 6. Plus 16 is 4. Tashi, it's a Tashi. And then first may I see you. Welcome, welcome. This is gonna be 3. So you find the square root of all of them, guys, okay? So you're gonna find the square root of 64. You're gonna find the square root of 36, square root of 16, and the square root of 9. Alright? After which you're gonna go and simplify the fractions. But I know this can be reduced by dividing it by 2. It's going to be 4 over 3 plus 4 over 3. And for this one, if you add them up, you're going to get 8 over 3. Simple maths, guys. A, B, C. All right? And so the answer is going to be 8 over 3. And that's B. Okay? So very good to the persons who did this one. All right, so that was a nice one. You think question will repeat? Can act almost every day? Look at that. Almost what they say ask. I mean, my ask the hell. Can me not know. I wish the questions will repeat. That's my wish for you all. That the questions they will come back, so you guys can do your best. You have less work to do. I wish that can. So I'm gonna pray for you happen. So have a good time at the exam, all right? Natalie is saying B. Let's hear what other persons are saying if the same B as well. So remember guys, angle of depression is equal to the angle of elevation. Okay? They form Z angles, and we know Z angles are alternate angles. Rice is saying B, Janelle saying B. Let's hear what the others are saying. So you see, I went ahead and I color coded the thing so you can see exactly what's going on. But you know, the paper can get it in a black and white. So if you can't color code it for yourself, you're going in a problem. But I wish you guys know how to color code or how to detect what an angle is representing and which part that represent from. Yeah, guys. So the dotted line you see here is the horizontal plane, or they say the line of sight. So from the line of sight of P looking down, the blue line here forms a Z angle. So this angle is equal to this angle. And line of sight to the red line or the orange line is going to be the other angle. So the angle at B is equal to what? B, the angle at Q. Me look on the screen and I say B. The angle of Q, guys, is equal to what? Persons are saying B so far. We did something like this last night, guys. If you do understand what to do, say help, say hint or something. Okay? I'll be happy to explain it for you. So remember, the steeper you look is the wider the angle is. So I'm going to put 2 points right here. I'm going to call this A, I'm going to call this B. And here, so I'm going to call it the base. All right? I'm going to demonstrate something to y'all. So this is me up here on this little building top. That's my line of sight. Okay? I want to look at the angle at the bus coming here at B. So from my line of sight up here, I'm going to look at B. Observe the angle that's formed here, guys. That means this angle is, let me draw the horizontal plane. You're going to tell me which angle is bigger. So look at it. So this is me up here. From a horizontal line of sight, I'm going to be looking down. So I'm going to look down at B, guys. So the angle form is right here. So this angle is equal to the angle at the interior part of B right here. So this angle is equal to this angle right here. So they form a Z angle. So this angle is equal to this angle from the line of sight. Okay? So that's the size of the angle right here. But if I want to look at A from the line of sight, looking at A, you will see that it forms a bigger angle. And so the angle here from the line of sight to the marker here is equal to the angle on the interior part. So from the line of sight to this line here will be equal to the interior part. So I'm saying this to say that, guys, the closer you look to the, how should I call this? I keep saying the ground height. That makes sense? That makes no sense. How can I describe this, guys? I'm not sure. I still can't pick up the word for use. But from your line of sight, the steeper you look down, like the closer you look to the base where you're standing from, or your height or your level, I don't know what you call this. Honestly, I don't know. The height right here, guys, the closer you look to the height is gonna be the bigger the angle. So this angle here, from the black marker to the blue one, this one is smaller than if I should go and look at A. So saying this, guys, Z angles are formed because this will be my line of sight. So this angle is equal to this angle. And this angle here is equal to this angle here. So looking at the diagram that is given, I went ahead and I color coded it. So from the line of sight to the blue line, you have a 50-degree on the interior. So if you should form out the Z right here, guys, you see the Z is going to be right here. So if this angle is 50, this angle here is also 50. from the line of sight to the red line is 80. If you should form your Z right here, you will see that this angle is equal to this angle. And so if here is 80, here is also 80. And that's how the answer came up to be B. Let me know if I made any sense, guys. So using your clinometer, the steeper you look is the wider your angle is. And we know angle of elevation is equal to the angle of depression. All right, very good. Equal to the angle of depression. Why? Because they form Z angles. So this angle equal this angle. So we always pay attention to the Z or the Z, whatever you call it, that's formed. Okay? And that's how we get it. So the angle at Q is equal to 80 degrees. Yes, guys. So very good. I wish I had 2 more questions like this. Unfortunately, I don't. All right. This one. Factorize completely. Have fun. Have fun. We know when you're factorizing, guys, we identify if a term is a factor, if a number or a letter is a factor of the terms you are working with. So for it to be a factor, it has to go into all the terms that you have. And here we have 2 terms. Okay? So it can be a common factor in terms of number or in terms of a variable. So what we normally do is to identify the HCF between the numbers. Make note of that. Then if a letter is common, you identify it and take the lowest power of whatever is there. So remember, if a letter stands on its own, it has a power of 1 in the in the power. In the index or the in the power form. Natalie is saying A. Or if you can't work the question, guys, observe the answers you see and try to expand it and make it look like whatever was given. So this B here means B to the first power. So Nikki's saying B. So whatever answer you're given, guys, anyway, you can't work this by factorization, HCF method. You look on the answer what you see here, so, and see if I should expand this bracket, will I get back this? If I expand this bracket, will I get back this? Ask yourself those questions. And you can't go wrong, okay? Ask yourself those questions, guys, and you can't go wrong. Even though it's not the typical way of working, but on the exam condition, there's no typical way. Just work the question and get the answer and move on. And I'm saying that in the layman terms here because people understand, say, not everything you go work according to the books. If you can do one for something and get the same answer, as a person, you'll go jerk and come back. Get the same answer and move on. You need to go no jerk. Get the same answer and move on. So I'm seeing A, B, B. Oh, go on. Oh, now seeing Abba Father. You guys seen Abba Father or something? Kill me. Jesus mercy. All right, let's go. So among the numbers, we see that 6 and 12. So the HCF between 6 and 12 is going to be 6. Okay? Because a marker, a big marker, like you don't want to work. Okay, that's fine. Between the letters, guys, we see that A is common to both terms. So we look at A and we take the lowest power of A. So between A square and A to the fourth power, A square would be the lowest. Okay? So that's the common factor. Between the B's, B to the third power and B to the first power, B to the first power would be the the lowest common factor. So let's take it out. So we have 6A square B. Without going any further, guys, you can observe whatever is here to see if it's matching. If it's not matching, you go again. So 6A square B into 6A square B cube is basically saying this. 6 times A times A, B times B times B divided by 6A times A, B. So whatever is a common factor here, guys, can go into these two terms. Okay? So 6 cancel 6, A cancel A cancel A, B cancel B. So we are left with B square right here. Okay? We're left with B square. So the next one is plus 12 something. So again, if you want to go, you can expand this part. So it's 12A, B all over 6A, B. Person may be wondering, where did she get the 6AA from? It's right here, the common factor. So I'm dividing this common factor into the term. 6 into 6 goes 1, into 12 goes 2, A cancel A cancel A, B cancel B. So we have 2AA, same as saying 2A square. And here is the answer. Another way of working this, guys, is to identify the HCF and you subtract the powers. So that's a A2 minus A2, A gone. So B3 minus B1, left with B square. Here, so 6 into 12 goes 2 times. A4 minus A2, you're left with A2, B1 minus B1, that gone. So I just 2A square left. So here the answer is B. So people who get it wrong, when I made the question, and look on it. I brought you guys the long method because people will say they still not get it, so I can do the longest way ever. So remember, once it's a factor of it, you can go into it. So you're going to divide the inner hit to see how simpler, you can get the expression to be. In this case, you divide it by 6A square B. Remember, once you're dividing, you go ahead and you subtract powers. You have to remember that as well. We subtract powers. So B2, no, A2 minus A2, A gone. B3 minus B1, you left with B2. Let me see, any other way? All right, hold on. Okay, very good. So what I was saying, Janelle, earlier is that on next paper. I have no paper here, sir. Dang. That's not good. That's not good at all. Let me write here, so come. I can't find a paper right now. So what you can say, guys, is to say that 6. So we found the HCF to be 6A square B. So we divide the numbers of 6A square B cube divided by 6A square B. So 6 into 6 goes 1 times. Let's group the numbers. Because the dividing going to be subtracting the power. It's going to be A2 minus 2. So A2 and A2. So A2 minus 2. B3. Remember, B by itself means... Am I having B? Okay. B by itself means B to the 1. So B3 minus 1. So you're still left with 1B squared. Because A... 2 minus 2 that gives 0. And into the 0 power equal to 1. So A gone. So B squared is left. So the next part they say 12A4B1 divided by 6A squared B. 12 divided by 6 would that give you 2. A4 minus this one 2. Okay, you're grouping all the A's. B1 minus 1. So right here, so you're gonna have 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. A square, 1 minus 1 gives 0. So B gone. So in a group, B square and A2, B square and 2A square, along with whatever is the common factor, which is 6A square B. So you're going to have 6A square B in bracket. You're going to have B square minus 2A square. Or if you're fast enough, guys, you can just basically do it in your head. I'm not sure. Or you guys work if you guys fast like that or not. But yeah, it can be done like that as well. I hope it made sense, Janelle, some way, somehow. I don't know. Because guys, realistically, if you had some bigger numbers like a 14 and a 15 up in the power, it would be impossible to write out everything for like A 14 times. So that's the way you can do it. All right, let's try this question. Okay, Modest, thank you. Let's try this one, guys. What is the exact value of 3 divided by 0.0001? What's the exact value, guys? Okay. Remember, guys? Oh, you're not sure. Ooh, my bad. So I have 5 C's so far. I guess we're making a C sound. Remember, guys, we convert the divisor to a whole number. And whenever you multiply this by, do the same to the 3. Or you can choose to do the digit movement. So if you move the digit, it's a whole number. Do the same movement here as well. So it's up to you how you want to try this question. Okay, I see some C's coming out. Anyone else? Come, guys, talk to me. Talk to me. Remember, I can't see the faces, guys, so I don't know who is making up them face and who not make up them face. So if you don't write and say something to me, I won't know you don't understand, okay? If you write and talk to me, guys. Boy. Okay, people saying C. All right. So let me go ahead, guys. So to convert this 0.001 to a whole number, we're gonna have to move some digits. So we're gonna move it 1, 2, 3, 4. And each movement is a movement of 10. Okay? So either move it 4 digits to the right or you multiply by 1, 2, 3, 4 by 10,000. Alright? So the same thing you do to this side, you do the same thing to the 3 as well. So you move it 4 places. So remember 3 is a whole number. So the decimal point is right at the right hand side of it. So you have to move this again 4 places and move it 1, 2, 3, 4. And whatever you see, guys, you fill it out with zeros for placeholder. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. And so that's 30,000. So the answer here is C. Alrighty, so everybody get them right. People who respond get it right. So we're going to chop along to the next one. Yeah, I like this one. Remember, I tell you all, once you see you're given a point or O, P, O, Q, O, A, O, B, it's telling you it's coming from the origin. Okay, guys, you have to remember that. So evaluate PQ. Crucial face, no. No, sir. This is a 3.5, guys. Rochelle, me a laugh. No. No, Rochelle. Stop being so. Yeah, guys, a 3.5 that. And I always tell you people, once you can't see the movement, you go ahead and you sketch a diagram. Don't be afraid. Because I don't know where the years are right now. Now going to the exam room yet. So all of the almost the same place. We're gonna have me. I put 3 and 16. I'm not even go. But I do all that. Hey, Gail Campbell, welcome, welcome, welcome back. It's good to have you. It's good to have you here. Guess it. I hear you. And one mark, it's the boy, guess it. So let's go, guys. 6 to 1.5. So 6 on the X, 1.5 on the Y. So that's P. And Q, 3, 3.5. That's Q. So people saying D for the answer. People saying C. All right, let's see. So we're going to go first. Draw your triangle. This is a triangle love vector, guys. My triangle don't look nice, but don't kill me for that. This is a triangle love vector, guys. Some people still don't get vectors. Go ahead and watch the video I posted for you guys. Or maybe last week Sunday or something like that. Or week before last Sunday. Come on, guys, go watch the videos and catch up on your sets and catch up on your vectors. All right. So okay, PQ. So we want to know the vector from P to Q. So the direction is going right here. But we know O, P, O, Q is basically O to P, O to Q. So the direction is this way, guys. So if we want to go PQ, we have to go PO plus OQ. Remember the letter you see in front? Always tell the starting point. Okay, guys? So you're going to be P to O, then O to Q. So I see people saying D, 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 C, C. Okay. And remember, guys, once you're on people saying B, remember, guys, once you're changing your direction, your magnitude is also affected. Okay? Once you're changing direction, your magnitude is affected. So you have to know which one to make negative, which one to make positive. So don't just jump to something and say because everything at 3, 2, everything at 9, 5, you're gonna select one. Ensure you're selecting the correct one. Okay? Yes, guys, make sure you select the correct one. Hey, let me show me message or something. No, sir. Alrighty, so let's chop along, guys. So OP was 6, 1.5. So PO, I'm gonna make this negative. So it's negative 6, negative 1.5. Okay? Plus OQ is the same. So I'm gonna write it back because the direction was not affected. I'm gonna write it back. So it's negative 6 plus 3, negative 1.5 plus 3.5. Alright? So negative 6 plus 3 and negative 1.5 plus 3.5. So let's go. Here we have a negative 3. Here we have a positive 2. So PO, you go back so, you couldn't done so. Yeah, make it negative. Then OQ. So yeah. So why people keep changing the answer? What's going on, guys? Why you guys keep changing the answer? What really are going here, so? Because I swear I see all the answer than this a while ago. No. Guys, what's going on, guys? Why y'all be changing your answers? Janelle, where you take out the answer for? Run through it again, the diagram part. So the diagram parts, okay. We want to go PQ. So you have to go PO first. But remember, vector have X, Y move. We go X first, then you go Y. So you have to go PO. You're changing your direction. So you go P on the X axis. Gonna be 6 this way. So negative 6. Cool. You're gonna go down 1.5. And once you're going down or left that. Once you're going down to the left, that's gonna be it's negative. So it's gonna be negative 6, negative 1.5. See it right here, so? Or you basically say, once you're turning back, you make it negative. Up to you. Plus OQ. OQ is already in that same direction, so you don't have to change anything. So it's 3, 3.5. Then you add these two. So negative 6 plus 3, negative 1.5 plus 3.5 would give you negative 3, 2. Now talk to me, guys. Wait, Janelle, wait about the answer for? Miss what? Miss what? What me do wrong? Miss come now. So yeah, guys, the answer is at D. You bring back you can bring back these. Okay. Okay, I will. Janelle had the right answer before and take it back. Why, Janelle? Do more. So me go over the paper that I can see. How you get positive 2? If I can check her again, right? Hold on there. Me I doubt myself right now. I mean, I normally doubt myself. Negative 1.5 plus 3.5. I'll give you a positive 2. How many know that? Because the bigger number right here, so is a positive. And like I said, 3.5 subtract 1.5. So the answer is a positive 2. You see that, Kenrai? So Janelle, tell me where you delete the answer for Janelle. I want only pound again deleting the answer. When you deleting the answer? Because I swear me see one whole heap of these earlier. So why you delete the answer? Now look around with me now. You hear? And that go for you all on. No, not play with me, yeah? I don't want to want anything. No, hold on. I'm going to want simple one to make the brain kind of feel a bit relaxed. Alright, do the one here. Like every time I show you the brain, I have to put it back together. You can't believe that? Every time I shell the brain, I put it back together. So 20, 30, 46, 47, 48. Alright, come guys, do the one here for me. Every time I shell in the brain, then I put it back. Alright, people saying A for this one. Apply the principle of exponent, guys. That's the once you have the same base and you're multiplying, you need to add the powers then. Do not multiply the powers. No rule, no go so. Okay, I see some answers coming in. Same base, add powers. Yes, right, see, very good. Guys, give me a sec. No go on the question, give me a second. Yes, guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. So, guys, the rule that says same base, you need to add the powers. So that rule, ooh, up here A's are going here. So, yeah, I saw no profile. Go look, guys. See the Ipa A here. Simone is in the building. Hey, Ashley. I saw no profile. Go look, guys. Here. On the maths profile, I think I go look like this. Straight A's. So, no, all the chat full of A's. I saw it. I go look. So this is the rule, guys. A to the m times a to the n is equal to, keep the base, add the powers. Okay? Once you're multiplying, guys, you keep the base and you add the powers. So, dang, this one alright. Need to go road tomorrow. It's gonna be 5, 2x plus 3y. So yeah, guys, the answer is at A. Okay? Very good, very good, very good. So no profile, I go look. I can't tell them, I feel it already. So another one here. That is too easy. No come for the one here now. That was like almost super easy. Let's try this one. Let's try this one, guys. Remember, we're basically equating matrix for this one. Okay? So you have to determine the value of x and the value of b. So find the value of x first. So when it comes down to matrix, guys, and you are going to be equating them, you equate them according to cell. So this first one, you see right, here's a 2x plus 6, equate that to 8. X, right, see whatever. Negative x plus 2, you equate that to a. Negative 2y plus, negative 2 plus 3y equal b. And what is b? 1 plus y equal to 5. You have to equate them, guys. All right? And you see what you want to find first, x. So go ahead and find that one for me. Equate it, guys. So I'm seeing B from Natalie. So Natalie said x is equal to negative equal to 1. Dinsmore is saying A. So it's gonna be 2x plus 6 is equal to 8. Go ahead, guys, and find the x. You see that also the second element here, the second cell, negative x plus 2 equal A. You couldn't use this one because A equal to. And you try to find x. Yes, you have 2 unknown, so you could have gone further. So go ahead and use 2x plus 6 equal 8. Find the value for, what that name? Find the value for x from that. Can't you look at can use funny paper? You can't believe that? Oh, what is it? Oh, I'm going this one. Do massa. Do. No confront me. Lord Jesus, not the person, I tell him. Straight blood we walk with, nothing but the blood. Oh, shadow for the bathroom, let's open there. You could have that. The bathroom shadow. Yes, guys, let's see some answers rolling. What's the value for A, guys? Roll into answers for me, the please and thanks. What's the value for A? What's the value for X? We want to know what X is. What is the value for X? Okay, B equal 10. Okay, one person is saying B. Not one person. Natalie and Campbell and Gail and Campbell is saying B. Dinsmore is saying A. Come now, guys, see it here. Simplify it. 2x plus 6 equal 8. Come on. Solve it, man. Solve it. Where's Ricey? Where's Rochelle? Where's Simone? Where's Ashley? Where's Brittany? Where's Ken Rye? Where's me not call upon already? Where's Nick? No, look here. No, played me now. No, come do me work. Come. Ain't understand. All right. Once you have matrices or matrix equaling to each other, so one side equal to the other, you go ahead and you equate them. So you equate them according to cell, meaning the position that they are in. So 2x plus 6 is in the same position as the 8. You see that? So you equate 2x plus 6 equally to 8. So me put it right here, so. Then you'd say negative x plus 2 is equal to A because A and that are the same position. And do the same thing for the others. But what they want you to find is x. So determine the value of x. So what you have to do, you have to say 2x plus 6 is equal to 8. So you go ahead, snip put here so you are ready, and solve this for x. Tell me if that was clear or not. X equal B. All right, X is B. Okay, Nick, I see you. Ricey, I see you. Dinsmore, I see you. Okay, yes, clear. All right, very good. So go ahead now and solve for X for this one. Solve for X. I'm here tight, so I will not tight. No, sir. Jesus God. Yes, clear. Come on, guys. I need some more people to be responding to me, man. Come on. So now kill the vibes night chat? You see, now kill the vibes. I'm just explaining something to you, no? And then now respond to me. No, so if you not kill the vibes, then I'll go before time, you know. I'm not tired of me, man. Until now kill the vibes, I'll go away. Come tell me, say me come for help you out of my good heart. I do it for the love, guys, and not for the likes. Here, me love you all on. All on, me love you. Me I tell you. No, miss, do not leave. I'm here, Natalie. I'm here, girl. I'm here. All right, so come on, guys. So let's solve for x here. It's a plus 6. I'm going to have to subtract 6 from both sides to cancel the plus 6. So that cut that. So 2x is equal to 2. Here, I'm going to divide by 2 on both sides. So this got that. So x is equal to 1. And so B is the answer for the first one. They want to find the value of B. All right? But B is in the same cell as negative 2 plus 3y is equal to B. But right here, guys, we have two unknown variables. We have the y and we have the b. So we can't go any further. But we know that 1 plus y is equal to 5. Here we can go ahead and find y first, then we find b. Okay? So here we have to subtract 1 from both sides because this is a positive 1. So we subtract 1 from both sides. So y is equal to 4. Now we can put y equal 4 over here so to find the value of b. So I'm going to say put y equal to 4. Let me know if you all following before me move on with this question. Let me know if you guys following. Not in the full screen, expand the screen. Let me know if you all following, guys, before I go to the next part of the question. If you're following, say yes. If you're following, if you're not following, say no. So me know if you need to go over or continue. Okay, one person say no, one person say get you. All right. So what I'm saying for this part, let me go again. So we want to find the value for b. So we know that negative 2 plus 3y is in the same cell as the b. Okay? So what you have to do is to equate them. And I put it right here. Negative 2 plus 3y is equal to b. But here we have two unknown variables. We don't know y and we don't know b. So what I'm saying that we cannot continue like that because it ain't gonna go nowhere. So what I did was to find the value of y. Since as y is also here, say 1 plus y is equal to 5. These two are in the same cell. You see that so far? So these two in the same cell, so I equated them on this side. Okay? So positive 1 plus y is equal to 5. If I want to find the value of y, I have to remove this 1. So because it is a positive 1, I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides. So this positive, this negative. So y is equal to 4. Okay? And so we have y equal 4. Now we can use this y and put it over here to help us to find b. So put y equal 4 into this. So I'm going to say negative 2 plus 3 times 4 is equal to b. Let me know you're following, guys. If you're not following, just let me know. Let me know you're following. All right, Campbell say B. All right, Campbell, I hear you. I hear you. I hear you. Daniel say B. I hear you. I hear you. Let me see what's going on, guys. Tell me if you're following for this one. You have to use what you're given, guys. They're not giving up. We don't have the answer for. Only sometimes we do that. But yeah, them not gonna do that. Okay, people say okay. All right. So from here, we're gonna simplify this part. So b is equal to negative 2. 4 times 3 is 12 plus 12. If you simplify these two, you'll get 10 for your answer. So b is equal to 10. And there you go, guys. So the bottom line of this question, guys, you have to know that once you see two matrices equal to each other, 2 by 2 or 3 by 3 or whatever they call it, equal to each other, you always go ahead and equate cell by cell. When I say cell, I mean this is one cell, this is another cell, another one, another one. So you basically equate corresponding cell. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a little thing here around it, show you what I'm talking about. So because these two are in the same cell, you're gonna make this equal to that. So this equal to that. This equal to this. Cool? This one is equal to this one because they're in the same cell, guys. So because of different matrix. But if you should take up this cell or this matrix, my bad, and put it over here, you'll see that they fall directly on each other. So you have to understand that part, guys, before you can answer the question. You have to know, say, once equal matrix, once one matrix equal to the other, you have to equate them. Cool? All right, so the answer is B for that one, guys. Let me know if I should move on or what. Was it clear for you, Brittany? Press along, saints, press along. I don't have any 2x3 matrix in this bulk of questions. It's the only one I have in this bulk of question. I don't have any more like this. And because people had said do more, I brought a question like this. So let's go. I'm not going to one yet. Hold on. I'm going to want simple one to go and relax in the brain. That I'm going to try it, guys. If I chill in the brain, I'm going to want simple one to bring back on confidence. Because sometimes when the confidence drop, come back up same time. So I'm going to want simple one to build up on the confidence. Let's go. We know perimeter. Oh, this marker is so poor. Oh my God. Guys, I'm so sorry. Look at this diagram. The marker is poor bad. This is the word perimeter, guys. Man. Alright. What's the perimeter of the trapezium? Perimeter means distance around. So go ahead and do some maths for me. Add them up. Add them up for me. Distance around. Add them up. Ned, come down quick though. Jesus. Michael. So what do you think? Yeah. You so respond to your brother. Hold on. Nuvo. Alright. See the profile. Them will come up as a straight A profile. I wanna say. See the profile. Them will come up here. So whatever letter you're sending, guys, that's gonna be a profile. So let me see what I'm gonna send in right now. Anything you're sending, that's gonna be a profile for maths. Let me see what I'm going. Let me see what's going on, guys. Which parish you're from, Miss? Manchester. I saw me chat about it. Woo! Yeah, actually, me come from my child if you can situate me. Manchester, I'm Rochelle. I know some Manchester people talk though. That's me. That's me alone. I think talk so far. Based on who me talk to. Hey, Sashina, welcome. Thank you. It's good to have you here. Good night, Miss. Hey, Mary, I saw your message, and girl, I was in a meeting. I couldn't get a chance to respond to you. I'm so sorry. Mary, how was the paper 3 for you? How was the paper 3 for you, Mary? Come, guys, tell me. Let me see what gonna be no math CXC profile letter. Let me see what I'm going for A class. Me having here a B class or C class. Cause we're not swimming, guys. We not do no form of swimming. Because me come from Manchester, and I have no beach, couple river. We not do no swimming. Yeah, Tashi, me see you. Or Tashai. I still can't say it even now. But yes, Tash, I see you. Yeah, guys, straight A profile. Is that in Kingston? No, dear. Boy, 2 miles, 2 hours something from Kingston. No, sir. Maybe 2 hours 30 minutes from Kingston. It was okay. The first person was a bit challenging. Oh, I heard some person saying the same thing. But when you said it okay, I know you do your best. So big up yourself, Mary. Big up yourself. All right. And I'm proud of you all. Trust me. Go with confidence and you come back out hot. Yeah. But don't worry yourself, girl. You did your best. And that's good. Come on, guys. All right, Kenra, I see you. I'm see what I'm going for the profile. I'm in a maths right now. Okay, a space straight A profile I'm seeing so far. Kingston, no, sir. Yeah. You know, your young DK for Kingston, like the poor upper town. Poor Kingston. Have them nice water, the poor Kingston. No, dear, Manchester me come from. So, guys, let's go. Distance around. Perimeter is equal. Let me put the word because I always must write that. Perimeter is equal to 19 plus 14 plus 6 plus 7. All of that. I give you a nice number. 46. Yeah, Mary. That could be a profile. That could be a profile in maths. You hear, Mary? A class. Yeah, guys. A class. What you say? A class. Me a promote right here. No. Let's go, guys. Another one. Boost the confidence here, please. Excuse me. I feel so different tonight. I'm going to show me a shout. Alright, let me say talk loud because I really shout me a shout right now. Alright, I see B coming on. People saying B. Rice is saying B. Janelle saying B. Natalie is saying B. Let me hear what the other persons are saying. Let me hear what I say, guys. Alright, people saying B. Okay. Okay. So I guess you are learning because you know that once the power is outside of the bracket, whatever is out here will not be affected. So this 2 will not be touched any at all. So even without working the bracket, guys, once you see the number here is a 2, you go ahead and just boom bang. Circle that. Quick, and move on like you're glad. Here? Circle that quick, and move on like you're glad. So the answer for this one is yeah, B. So you don't touch the 2 because this is not in the bracket. It says 2. Your x to the 1. So you do the power to power rule. So it's x times to the 1 times 3. And y to the 2 times 3. So that give you y6, x3, and 2. You see that? Yeah, guys, I like that. I like that. I like that, guys. Let's go for a question like this. Translation them I deal with right here, so guys. Match it up for me there, please. Remember OT equal I. Object plus translation vector is equal to the what? To the image. Yeah, guys. Yeah, you. Go on, good man. Come on. Yeah, guys. You guys are doing fantastic. Trust me. So I'm going to half an hour more. I stay until 2 hours. I'm going to half an hour more, guys. I'm going to go along on the merry way. Hear that? Half an hour more. I'm going to drop down, no? Oh, we can't charge a phone here. I'm going to move on to the merry way. Come on, something plug out and start ramping me. Please. Need to go move me care. Never want to go outside, you know. Go. Yeah, guys. Yes. Half a more hour and I'm good to go. Alright, O'Neill Smith is saying makes you full of excitement. Great going. In a bus going home watching and learning. Thanks. Oh, so people in a bus hear my voice, O'Neill? No, put the phone back. Turn down the volume, O'Neill, and put in the earphone. All right. Thank you very much, though, for sticking around. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. So, yeah, guys, come on. Let's do this one. Object plus translation is equal to the image. And when we say translation, guys, okay, very good, very good. We mean translation vector. All right? Yeah, Rochelle, looking at going, man. I want to you. So let's go, guys. You know, send me load for a long time. So object, oh, you can't see this? Dang, Kennedy, they can't see that. Oh, they can't see it. Is that a low battery sign just come from my phone? Open that, and if I plug in the phone, them are ear, Manchester. KJ, welcome to the building. Welcome, welcome. So, guys, object plus translation vector is equal to the image. 2PL. Oh, man. Let me trace you over. So, object plus translation vector is equal to the image. All right, move that better. Yeah, I feel better. So let's go. So the object. So given, so they said the vector AB, or them want to X, Y, we don't really matter, maps the point 4, 7 on P prime 3, 4. So right here, so guys, we know that P prime here, so would I give you the image, right? For my voice, no, so here KJ, no, here KJ people. So guys, we want to find the translation vector. So if you wanted to, you could go and transpose or make the subject. So the TV is equal to the image, subtract the object. Okay? Some people remember say, oh, she gets subtract. Remember, this is a positive image object right here. So if you want to move this object, you have to subtract object from both sides, okay? So TV is equal to image subtract object. The image, you know how the little prime thing here going for it. Cool? So it's going to be 3, 4, subtract the object, which is this one, 4, 7. And you're going to get your math it up. Cool? You math it up. Like, nice, nice, nice. Math it up. Let me have some answers there, guys. Come on. That is not answer to Rochelle, though. Honestly, that is not the answer Rochelle right now. John, no. Rochelle, girl, big up your clean self. Big up your clean self, Rochelle. Respect and manners. Yeah, guys. So let's do this. So I see what answer coming in from Young DK. So come on, guys. 3 subtract 4, 4 subtract 7. Running some answer there, please. Now is the time you have to trust your brain. In college, the lecturer would tell us that an exam condition, don't trust your brain, because your brain will give the answer. But right now, guys, you have to trust your brain. Miss, real structure, I didn't was miss the way it's structure. I didn't it way was the TV you wanted. Or you didn't know I wanted the TV. But right, see, look up here, so. Look up here, so miss. I answer so long. Really, Natalie? Because them a chat me out? Osh, Natalie. Osh, 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 osh. Right, see? You have to try decoding question here. Every time I talk to you about the same question. If you catch you, see, boy, and I give you a couple slap. Me I tell you right now, me that slap up you. People, I'm not violent, okay? I'm a nice person. I'm not violent. I saw some more me have people. So some more me have. Okay? All right, since it. Oh my God. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. So people, what I was saying, guys, you have to try to decode the question and see what it's asking you for. Here, so the vector. See that word there? Vector. And we know say I couldn't object them attack and I couldn't the image. So we have to know say it is a translation vector they're talking about. Okay? So we have to know, guys, to decode questions. Sometimes they give it worded to try to confuse you, but make them know straight you're not a fool. See what I say? You know what you do. So the vector AB maps the point 4, 7. So some vector maps the point. They could have said the point P, but they did not say the point P here. But they told you the image was P prime. So already you have an idea that the object is also P. You see what I'm saying? So maps the point 4, 7 on P prime 3, 4. We need to know this by heart. OT equal I. O plus T equal I. Object plus translation vector is equal to the image. Okay, guys? And from here, we want to find the translation vector. If you wanted to, you could have went ahead and say 4, 7 plus the translation vector is equal to the image be again 3, 4 is equal to 3, 4. And from here, just bring this over here so by subtracting it if you wanted to. So I'm saying, but we ain't going there right now. We're gonna stick with this one because I want to look more simpler and less confusing to people. So we're gonna stick with the simpler one. So you're gonna say 3 subtract 4 is a negative 1. 4 subtract, Miss, do you have a video and vector posted? I have a video, yeah. I have video and vector, the introduction part of it, and I have one that has to do with the triangular and the parallelogram law. Yeah, I do. So 4 subtract 7 is a negative 3. Some people still have negative positive problem. If you do, go ahead and draw a negative positive chart. You know you have 3. No. We must say 3 yes about 3 is positive and the 4 is negative. So if it comes to 3 from here, so, and 3 from here, so, you're going to left with 1, and the 1 is under the negative sign, so you know it's a negative 1. If you try with 7 and 4, the 4 is positive under the P side, and the 7 is a negative 7. See? Over here, so. If you take 4 from this side and 4 from here, you're left with 3, and the 3 is under the negative sign. So, yeah, D is the answer. So, the answer is negative 1, negative 3. So, yes, O'Neill, I do have videos on that. You can go check it out if you wanna, okay? Yeah, guys. So, hope you love this one. Hope you like it. Hope you like it. Hope you like it. Do you want to go? Let me go in the questionnaire first. Then me go. Okay, I will look at. Okay, alrighty, very good, very good. Let me go to our next question, guys. I think gonna go like it. Hope you like it. See it here. Place no good again. See it here. See me, I said the place no good again. And people start curse me out right now. Place no good again, guys. Yeah. So yes, guys. Ooh, I know I saw something we have to do in battery life, you know. People saying Dinsmore is saying A for this one. Let me see how many persons agree with Dinsmore. I don't know, I tell him to not go so. Oh, Natalie agree with him, alright. So I have A going on, guys. Same if a straight A profile not have, or a B profile not have, or a C profile, or a D profile. Let me see what really I got have. So you can get, but to answer this question, guys, you basically analyze what's going on with the either the X or the Y. So you can observe the Y first, guys. You sometimes you'll see domain here and range here. It means the same thing. X value, Y value. Okay? Don't make them confuse you. So you observe the Y here and you see if it is decreasing or increasing by a specific number. So do that part. Check it out. Is it increasing by a number or decreasing by a number? So between 5 and 8, I see it's going up by 3. 11 and 8 also going up by 3. 11 to 14 also going up by 3. Okay? So we know it's adding 3 each time. But remember, Y is dependent on, yes, Kenry, very good, is dependent on X because X is the independent variable. So if it's dependent on X, whatever X is, X has to be a part of your solution. So it's X plus or minus something, multiply or divide by something we give you, y. So it's going to be x plus 3 to give you y. So let's check it out. If it's x plus 3, so it's going to be 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 2, not 5. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Next x is 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. So we know that it is some value of x plus 3 if you give you the y value. In this case, it's going to be x plus 3. Or 1x plus 3. How you want to put it? I don't know. But yeah, 1x plus 3, x plus 3, the same thing. All right. So, boom, bang. It's right here. So the answer is A, guys. So I'm gonna call out one person, and please don't feel offended right now, okay? So Nicola, you have x is equal to y plus 3. So y plus 3, if you had that, you're saying that 5 plus 3 would have give you whatever x is, would have give you 2. And this wouldn't be the case, because you say I get 8, I get 2, so we know that they're not equal. So this couldn't be the case, okay? Pretty? And y equal negative x, whatever y is, x is negative of it, and that's not the case. And the same y plus 3, again, couldn't be the answer. X is a factor. X is a factor. You could say that because all of these x values can go into the y, you could say that as well. That x is a factor because all of these x values here can go into whatever the y value is. So 2 can go into this. 1 time, remainder 3. So it's going to be 2 plus 3. No, the y. What you say? To the y. What you mean by that? Remember the function, you know? This is a function. So it has to be f of x is equal to something. And f of x is the same thing as saying y is equal to something. But what they have here for D is like saying x is equal to y plus 3. If you should transpose this and make y the subject, you will say x minus 3 is equal to y. In this case, if you wanted to make y the subject, you could have done this. But this wouldn't give you the answer for go up here, so because it's a plus 3, not minus 3. Tell me if you get me, I say. Oh, she say okay. Is okay meaning understand me, I say? I'm not sure if okay meaning understand me, I say, or yeah, whatever you say, understand what you say wrong or whatever. I don't know. But guys, you understand this one? This one only part A come out. I'm saying no understand because this one only part one long line of A come a while ago. Okay, I understand this. Alright, very good. Alright. So one here. Oh, you know about that drop. Hey, my niece, how are you doing? Welcome to my live stream. I love what you are doing. Teach inspiration in a time like this. Help out the youth indeed. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Oh, people, Solina, what go on? Thank you, Manies. Thank you. Guys, that's my super senior in college, guys. A super senior, my senior. My senior. Yeah, my senior in college. And guys, she was so nice to me in my first year of college. And people are trying to grab me. Man, she don't have time for that. Everybody come here as adults. You know? Such a darling. I'm telling you guys. Why the paper not turn the right way, guys? Oh, the phone want fix. Okay. Come and say, what go on for paper? But the phone ain't problem. Okay. Send it to me, right? See? Tell you something. Me now want meeting today. From after 10 to the time you see me company live stream. Maybe 5 minutes before that. Massa. I tell you, you're not pretty. Not even my Instagram, me not check. So maybe you send to me, not even my Instagram, me not check. Yeah, my friend is a teacher. Man is to do. I think man is to. I can't remember what man is to do. If I ITR early child. I remember man is doing. I remember what she do. I remember to miss 1/8. Alright, Natalie, I see you. What are you asking you for? Oh, boxing? So the probability that a boy chosen at random. Oh, my name on Instagram is Alicia Kennedy. ALECIA KENNEDY. I don't remember the same picture I have here. I don't know. Alicia Kennedy though. You'll see me on there. We can't hide. Um, who is saying something to me here? Now you're still here. Oh, thank you, girl. Thank you, thank you. Are you going live later? Cause me soon next 15, 17 minutes I'll be out of here. But yeah, are you going live now? Nicola saying A, Natalie saying A, Mary saying A. Guys, come on, talk to me. Oh, you mean now? What that's supposed to mean? Why not? Campbell saying A. I guess the A game, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Everybody saying A, guys. Let me see if it's a A game. It's a A game. Let's say A game. A game, guys. Ricey, Rochelle. Hello, hello, hello. When you gone? Janelle. Me tell you must stop me live. Leave it me live, you know. Oh, tomorrow, God's will. Okay. All right. So okay, now I understand. Yeah, you have to do what you have to do, girl. Can't kill yourself, you know. Nai doesn't teach maths. Nai does reading. Nai does reading. And she does an inspirational channel as well. So for this one, guys, you need to identify the different angles. But in this case, it's boxing they're paying attention to. So remember, probability basically mean the no money is the maths. Yeah. Maths and something. Just remember. Number favorable outcome over the sample space. Okay? Probability of an event occurring. Let's say event is A. Excuse me. Number favorable outcome over the sample space. So in this case, guys, they want the favorable outcome they want here is to know the person who does boxing. So for boxing, for this one, we see boxing represent 45 degrees. Okay? So it's going to be 45. And we know a complete revolution represents 360 degrees. So it's 45 over 360. And you go ahead and you simplify all of that. And 360 divided by 45 will give you 8. So 45 itself goes 1 into 360 would go 8 times. So if you don't know how to do it like that, guys, go ahead and break it down using numbers you know that are compatible or that are factors of each of these numbers and break it down little by little. Don't kill yourself if you can't break it down at once. Okay? So the answer for this one, guys, is 1/8, and the answer is right here. I hit the marker mark me, honestly. Don't like that. Miss, can you find? So find the angle at the bottom. So tell me the answer, I see. I'm saying I can put some number on the screen to tell me the answer. So me I put no. So A90, B 135. Miss, you can sing. Me, if you sing Bob Marley song, you know, on my voice on. But you know, easy do me. The master, we can't hardly talk. Just go sing people song. I go say me I do copywriting. Me go say me I don't only write to this music. We don't have time to do that right now, the young DK. No. So guys, Bryce is asking us what will be the angle for cricket here. So we know that angular The total angle in a circle here represents 360, guys. Here, you see the elbow here. Say no, this is a 90-degree right here. Another elbow is on this side. It's split in two. So it's 90 and 90. Miss, are you? No, miss, are you? I say, I'm me. I'm if you do it. Okay, your ranking face. Hey, Ricey. Boy, move off. All right, let's see boss me up. Guys, I'm being bullied by Ricey. Please talk to him. So 90, guys. It's another elbow right here. So if you say 45, here says also 45. Okay? And guys, we can see that if you should look at this half of the circle up here, you will see it's also this portion here is also a half of the circle. So you can either say 45 plus 90. I know that this subtract from 180. So here so would that be 45. Cool. Alright, so if here says 45, guys, I will know that all of you done here, so it presents 180. We know that here so would that be 180 minus 45 to give us 135. So we have to know how to find these things in it's the simplest method, guys. Yeah, O'Neill, yeah. 135. But O'Neill, we can't use numbers here. So me put it here. So if we could tell me A, B, or C. Whoa. Sorry, guys. So some people never see. But yeah, A, B, or C, so it would be B for that one. So for cricket, it would that be B. Yes, Jan. And yes, Natalie. Yes, Nicole. Huh? Looks like B. Nicole, you know what the question? 180 minus 45. Yes, Mary. Yes, Mary. Bomb if you do it. You see your face here, I see? But don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself, you know. You go and bully me, man. Go and bully Miss Kennedy. You hear? Why you use 45 because it's closer? No, I could use this 45 here. I could use this one. Because here's a half of a circle. And here is also half of the circle. So I could use any one of them. But me just choose the one at that side. But anyone could be used, right? See? High fashion. Like, oh, yeah. Okay, Jay. Thank you. I appreciate that. Thank you. Alrighty, guys. This one is super simple. No, tell me nothing. Super, super simple. So me bust in the brain and me try many it up back. So I'm have to give me a little thumbs up for that. Because me bust in the brain a while ago, now me many it up back. And me actually doing it nicely. So the 6 in this number represents what? Says 560. What's the value of the 6? A, B, C, R, D. Mary, oh, you say 600, Mary? Oh, okay. Also for the first one. Okay, what's that? Simone is still here. Hey, Simone. So Simone is saying C, guys. Janet saying C. Brittany saying C. O'Neill saying C. Young DK Nicole Rice is saying C. Yo, me a rhyme, guys. You hear that? Everybody appears C. Who that? Natalie says C. Mary, I laugh. Who else? Oh, God. Me love you so till. No, sir. Me no miss teaching the classroom. None at all. Nicole, I laugh, so guys. So Mary, I laugh. Nicole, I laugh. Natalia says C. Who else, guys? Nobody else? All right, no, use me no more. But you're right, guys. It's C. And we all know how it can become C, right? Because it's a ones, tens, 100. So that are ones, that are tens, and that are hundreds. All right? So 6 tens, 60. 5 times 100 is 500. So if you expand this, you'd have 5 times 100 plus 6 times 10 plus 0 times 1. Okay? And so, you know, so yes, it's going to be 60. Yes, it's going to be 500. And yes, it's going to be 0. With that, right? Yeah, money, right. Did I give 560? Yeah, guys. Boom bang, love the vibes. Oh, that is so nice. Happy to hear that. And that's exactly how I am, guys, when I'm teaching in my class. Trust me. Sometimes they ask me if me eat sweetie today. Ask me how I'm so hyperactive with their ranking self. But we eat sweetie today. You can't believe that, guys. Yes. That they asked me. After me come there with little hyperactivity just because I want to be active in a class, you know? A little vibes while teaching. They asked me if me eat sweetie today. Or if me eat candy or chocolate. Me say no, a chocolate tea me drink and it sweet. Oh, I'm happy to hear that, O'Neill. I'm happy to hear that. This one, guys, I'm gonna rewrite the number at the top there because I think I was sleeping when I leaned this question and I'm never asleep. Because the meeting did so boring. Me have to keep myself company. This one, guys, the number up here, so me rewrite it right here, so persons who can't see it, okay? Straight A, no stop here, A go on in here. Look here, let me tell you, you know. Me I profess this over the whole of no life in here and people who not even know. A straight A profile una get Gavin, guys. Shout out to Gavin. Gavin in the building. Oh, tomorrow is IT. Okay, my IT people. All the best. All the best. All the best. Blessings over you all. I'm open to remember everything on the study. Come and know on the A game tomorrow. Okay? Love you guys. All my IT people. Big up on yourself. You know, I don't do IT, but if you know, you know, I think you know about the computer brain something, you know, about CPU, you know about the mouse, you know what the joystick, you know something about certain man. Blessings, blessings, blessing in Jesus' name. Blessing up yourself, bless up yourself, Nicola. So yeah, guys, this is a 3 decimal place. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. So look at the fourth one or more. You round up less than 5. You drop it. In this case, it is 6. So you're gonna add 1 to this. So you get 4.111. 4.111, guys. Yeah, and the answer is indeed A. Okay. Yeah, guys. My sister would have said, yeah, you. But yeah. Here we go. Another nice one, guys. Remember, whatever you see in the bracket represents X. Don't ever, ever, ever forget that. Okay? I have 21 beautiful people in the live. Oh my God. Once the number to the right is 5 or more. Yeah. So good, Ricey. You borrow one and you drop the rest of them like a bomb. Yeah, Ricey. Yes, yes, yes. What on in here? 22 people. I'm smart for go left. I can't believe that. Janelle is saying C, guys. Who believe Janelle? She's saying C. Who believe her, guys? Let me see who agree with Janelle in this place. Come on, talk to me. Who believe Janelle? Ken Ryan, are you saying? Oh, A was the first one. Okay. Okay. Let's go, guys. Remember, whatever you see in the bracket here represents the X up here. Okay. Ricey saying B, sir. I say nada. All right. Janelle, I say no, you not believe you. Janelle, you say not believe you. I wonder what going. I wonder what going. Come on, people. Nick. Oh, come. Ooh. Nicola said no way. Dinsmore said no way. I want one. Hello. L-R. Wanna spell? CBAC. What that? CBAC? Cab C. What could that be again? ACBC or CBAC? Wanna try find vector? No tell me the truth because we not like to know. Right here I say A. I don't understand you guys. Look here. Either we're gonna say something, or we're gonna spell something, or we not say nothing. You see what I say? Either say something, spell something, or we not say nothing. Okay, Brittany, Natalie, Nick, me see you all uno. Me see uno, guys, me see uno. But me here from Rochelle, I'm to someone. Oh, I'm to uno. Come now. What's going on, guys? Mary say A as well. All right. I guess people are say A and C, so I don't know which one on right. But y'all should be right by now. The answer is B. I hear you, Natalie, loud and clear. Even though I see you earlier up as well before, I see you respond to me earlier. You and Nicola respond. All right. Campbell has the A as well. Alright. So me jump in right now and make you know where I'm going cause I'm not sure I wanna spell. I'm telling you say before you submit my answer and look over on the paper. Cause I tell me say on the exam and I just do something and just jump in. And say, alright, I must this, I mean I change my answer. But me tell you now, once there is a little man, a little woman on the shoulder, I jump and I juke with a fork or a pinch out on the daylight, when I change the answer. Hear me? So let's go, guys. So this represents X. Cool. All right. So let's go. In this function here, in where I see X, I'm going to put -1. So it's 3, -1 cube minus 1. All right. It's A. All right, Rice Boss. All right, Rice Boss. Me hear you. -1 cube, guys. -1, -1, -1 results in a -1. And nobody ask me outcomes because -1, -1 give a +1, +1, -1 give a -1. All of that multiplied by 3, subtract 1. -3, -1 give a -4. You see that? Tell me so you don't see that. So the answer is A. I know if I think object bingo, guys. Say some name, object, something. But yeah. Yes, guys. Look upon what you do wrong and pick it out from now back. Or you come back and me just this I called the name a while ago. I say, oh, me not hear you. But yeah, you come back. All right. That's good. All right, guys. Come make you run some more questions and let me come take myself off of that something here. I'm going to want to circle tear in the meantime. So I can chip part on the brain for a little. So the question just lean on the paper. So I don't know how to my paper them, you know? Like it a move by itself, people. Trust me. Like them a move by I did it wrong the first time I multiplied. Then subtract instead of subtract. Okay. Multiply. The subtract. Okay. Oh, you multiply the -1 instead of subtract. Okay. But glad you can see that right here and pick up a mistake. Me like that. So guys, this one, not chippy brain too hard. No, me not chippy brain. You're funny as deal. No, I'm sorry, guys. I didn't take my composure. I'm a teacher. Let me be myself. Look here. Whew. Jesus. So guys, BCP is 39. So if in the J diagram, you just pick it out and you saw 39. So boom, bang. So from here, guys, you know a theorem that says angle formed from the tangent is equal to the angle in the alternate segment, or angles in alternate segment are equal. Oh, you remember the theorem, guys? Yeah. So this is one segment down here, so another one up here, so in the alternate segment, because you want to find BAC, alternate segment. So you know, yeah. Then I'm gonna do a yeah, guys, I'm gonna equal. So this is one segment down here, so between B and C and on the card here. And the arc here could be one segment. I just saw one segment, guys. So the alternate segment would be up here. So angles in the answer alternate segment are equal. You want to inform by Miss can't trick me. Trick me again. Never again. You're right, see guys like that try to take away money. You know, hearing people. Me can't trick him again. Right, see? Me not try to take your money from you, you know. Say enough make it sound that way there. All right, Mary saying A, right? He's saying A, Dinsmore saying Natalie's saying A, Janice saying A. Let me hear what I'm going for people. No, come on, talk to me. If you know the rule, guy, you go Google the rules them and have it on your phone. Or something. If you're in a taxi or walk, no, Kenny, come on. If you're in a taxi or walk, that don't make no sense. If you're in a taxi or drive, go home, guys. Are you on the bus, you pop out your phone, you don't have no data, you screenshot your theorems them, and go and meet them in a bus or go home. So when I say, hey Alicia, we are in Virginia safely. Don't okay. Oh, hey. I'm happy to hear that. Thank you. No taxi. That me I say. Miss me I go dash one word on. What that mean? Thank you for the reminder. When only that say miss me at that me and me at that. No, listen, only you can't say that. No, me I tell them say if they don't know the theorems, go up on Google, take a screenshot. So when they in a one taxi or one bus or them a walk with a friend or somebody with a picture up on their face, they can simple take out their phone and go and make the theorem them. No, no, only I'm say that. Me not no only me not try to stand you. If you say that only the master. No man, me not do that man. Me respect you man. If you come in my life, I need a pan boss man. Oh man. No, me not do that because some people they still don't know the theorems, you know. Some persons they still don't know the theorems. And so given a question like this, they'll it throw them off completely. So let me say it and say it nicely, guys. If you don't know the theorems, the circle theorems, yeah. Go on Google them, take a screenshot on your phone. Even if you don't have a data plan, guys, on your phone, you can always have a screenshot to go and look back on. And yeah, quick, guys. You have the theorems, the managerial diagrams that will help you to identify the different regions. You see what I say? Yeah, in case you can go up on YouTube, but and every time Jamaican people have data plan, sorry. But I'm out of them phone pan them. I want what you call it something there again, the child or something. The something bank. You know what name? Power bank. Power bank and then computer or something we can give them a charge with one small card. Let's go, guys. Too much talking. So angles from the tangent, guys, equal to angles in the alternate segment. There is angles in alternate segments are equal. So yes, so at 39, alternate being up here, so I'm gonna be 39 as well. So the angle for this one is A. And that's 39. Whatever it be, 39 degrees. I'm gonna want a question like this. A long time I drop something like this for no? Guys, type in circle theorem. Okay. A long time I drop on a question upon you guys. The question I miss no. Today me I go through some question I like it. I say, Miss Kennedy, remember me? And I say, yeah man, remember yeah man, I go write it on you right now. To give them people the later, because I know them I go appreciate you. I know, I feel it. I feel it in my big toe. Alright, I'm give them my inverse already. I'm not give them the money in question there again. So guys, me go to 3 more questions for the road. Yeah. Me go to me look for one question, guys, and I can't find it. So I'm not going to pray the one here. Let me say I can go and skip on the here, so. Alright, people saying A. Alright, hold on the cause. Alright, let me see something, guys. Let me see if I can find a question that we really want to do before we go in. Nikki saying A, Rice is A, Nicola say A. Alright, a bad people something. Alright, people, then I say a bad people something. Let me see what really are going for them. They're saying it's bad people something, guys. Gavin is saying. Let me say A. Let me see if A match right. Alright, W. Oh, A match right, man. Okay, you type too fast. Alright, boss. Let me see you. So for this one, guys, what you have to do, give me a sec. Let me put this paper down. So guys, for this one, Marco, where are you? Okay. For this one, guys, you have to know what is A and what is P and what is Q. So you can say first term, second term, and you can look at whatever they gave you as first term, second term, or you can go ahead and line them up, guys. As you're giving them, line them up as is. So P is equal to 5 and Q is equal to 2. So you can go ahead and line them up. So P equal 5 and Q is equal to 2. After having this, in this expression, you're going to put P as 5 and Q as 2. So you're going to say 5 square. Let me write it back first. So P square minus PQ. I see the answers rolling in, guys. Very good, very good, very good. I see y'all coming in. I see y'all coming in. So it's P square and P is 5. So it's going to be 5 squared minus P, that's 5. Put it in a bracket. That's 5. And Q, that's 2. So you basically replace P and Q into the expression given. So 25 minus these two, that give you 10. And you get 15 for your answer. Pantan, welcome, welcome, welcome. I can't remember. I think I see Pantan before. I'm trying to remember. But if it's the first you're coming here, Pantan, feel free, feel free. Welcome, welcome. It's good to have you here. Yeah, guys, I see you sending out your profile from now. I'm respecting you for that. Yeah, full of confidence like that, guys. Welcome, welcome. And well done, well done. So yeah, guys, answer is A. So go ahead and label them, guys. No, second time. Okay, maybe the word Serena. Serena, me know, you know. Me know the word Serena. But yeah. Welcome, man. Welcome. I'm still happy to have you here with me. So let me say it again, guys. You go ahead and you line them up. Or you want to say first term, second term, second term. It's up to you guys how you want to call them. Or you want to line them up to find what is P, what is Q. So once you have P and Q, you basically substitute. So let me put the word sub here. So sub P equal 5, Q equal that into the given expression. All right? People, Pitney. Them, me no say, I don't like this, miss. You're going for the next. Oh, you better go. You better go, Ricey, right now. You better go. You hear? Long me say me a go left foot and me still there. You come like no vibes. You better go and leave me alone. Let me make you know. I mean, no say my fault, guys. When me not come out earlier, cause the meeting never fi stay so long. Me I tell you. Me tell them straight. So me have class to go teach online with people. I mean, I want to miss them. And I say, all right, Miss Kenny, you can start from early. And early they start. People say they never have to start early. I can't. I tell you. When is the next live? Tomorrow 4:30. I need that. Tomorrow me I try come on time. Tomorrow 4:30 dear. And Saturday, me not sure about the marathon, guys, but me gonna try to do the marathon Saturday. And you know marathon are from when again, Ricey? I remember when the marathon start. I remember at all. Miss so stay a little longer, no like oh you love with vibes. Of course. Then I said me I stay longer now. Skylar, I first me I see you. Me sure that. Welcome, Skylar. Welcome, welcome, welcome. It's good to have you in the building. Feel free to be a part of the family. So like one girl or one boy. I like one girl name because it's near Renicia. So maybe I want female. Welcome. Let me not say girl or boy. Just welcome yourself and big up yourself. Big up yourself. All right, people saying B, 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 B. All right. What so go on? Ricey, answer the one, Ricey. Ricey, answer the one. Let me hear what you have to say. Shout out for the one here, Ricey. Let me hear your voice there. Shout out for the one here. Let me hear what you have to say, Ricey. Come and know say you. Oh, thank you, miss. Yeah, you're welcome. Me know say Ricey no like vectors, guys. Me know say no like more vectors, bearings. And somebody else not like bearings either. So Ricey, me I call out you right now. I want your voice loud and clear upon the one here. Me know that's like people what me telling you say. yeah. Me and vectors no agree. Alright, as the answers rolling in and people look like they know what they do. Okay. Look like you know I do what time the marathon starts at them, Miss Kennedy. I'm trying to remember what time the marathon normally start. I don't remember. From very good, O'Neill. From yeah. Is this a spite? You mad, right? Me help out you, mad? Sorry, right, Brittany, me hear you. In the diagram above, what is the bearing of A from O? As I always tell you guys, anything that come after the word from tells you your starting point. Okay? Tells you your starting point. Tell me if you understand that. That means, I don't know, say bearing is a clockwise movement from the north line. So you have to be going this way. Clockwise direction. Cool? You have to be going this way. If you don't know, you can go ahead and label your cardinal point, north, south, west, east. And sure, so going this way, you spell the word we. Cool? So guys, having said this, your starting point is at O. Okay, O is your starting point. So from this north line, you're going to the point A. 1 p.m. Jamaica time. I think so, young DK. I think you're right, you know? I think you're right. Maybe at 1 p.m. Jamaica time. I think you're right, man. A big man, a serious thing attack. Yeah, guys, 1 p.m. Jamaica time, 2 p.m. if the other Caribbean countries. But yeah, 1 p.m. So as I was saying, guys, clockwise movement from the north line. So north line is here, you're moving this way. You know, so I'm gonna straight line give you what? 180. So here's a 30. Up here, so would that be? Do the maths, do the maths, do the maths, do the maths, do the maths. Up here, so 30. Up here, so would that be? 180 minus 30 to give you 150. Wanna get that? So the bearing of A from O, all I hear so would that be 90 plus 60. You could even say that as well. Yes, O'Neill, you could say that. O'Neill, yeah, we see it. So delete the comment, O'Neill. You can't say numbers in our life here. Come on, and shut it down for me right now. So yeah, O'Neill. So guys, I hope you ask O'Neill comment. He's saying 90 plus 60, and that's very good. You could say that 90 would that be the angle right here. Cool. Okay, no, all of these quadrants are 90. So if 90 is here and 90 is here, but you have 30, so yes, so would that be 60? Yeah. Yes, so would that be 60? If not, I'll move it for you, O'Neill. Don't worry yourself. I'll take it out. So yeah, guys, that would be 60. So 90 plus. Miss, please make a video on bearing. It's kind of hard. Right, see? The video pan bearings make a long time. Bearings one video for maybe from about December or January come up so. For a long time that make right, see? So because me have about 100 and add video on the channel, 140 something or 50 something. I don't know. No, that's fine, O'Neill. Come on, that's fine. Numbers are simple thing that. Me just remove it for you. Don't worry yourself about that. Because I need to keep reminding you guys not to put the numbers. But sometimes I remember nothing carried away so much. Oh, you take it out already because we not see it again. Take it out already. Yeah. Others can benefit too. Alright, right, so I'm gonna do one next video again, updated version of video. I'm gonna present it I can tomorrow. Sunday too late. I'm gonna try the video tomorrow. So tomorrow about midday you can look for the video from me, guys. People who don't understand bearings tomorrow midday, you can look for a video from me on bearings, okay? Because the rest of the day so bad me up like wow. So tomorrow midday, guys, look for a video from me on bearings. I'm gonna do an updated video on that. So yeah, guys, but only I like the way you said it just now. So it's 90 plus 6. You could also say that as well to give you the 150. So what if I said I want the bearing of O from A? What may I stutter, boy. What would be the answer? What would be the answer, guy? What is the bearing of P plus 60? What would be the bearing of O from A? So once you say from A, miss, how miss get that? Yes, or I see a 90 as well. Yeah, so I want 90. Then give you 30. Up so must be 60. So 90 plus 60 give you 150. Guys, what will be the bearing? I'm saying we can choose the answer from right here. So The bearing of O from A. Yeah, bearing of O from A will be what, guys? Choose the answer from right here, so. What would be the bearing of O from A? People. Them watch me. I wish this was math exam. I wish the exam comes similar to what I'm doing here. Be that sweet me. May that be the happiest teacher, me I tell you. Where you say butter pan catch? Oh God, me I tell you, me wish you could have come to something like this. Me I tell you, me that be the happiest teacher. Like me that win the lotto, guys. Just so you know, so you're not gonna pass it. Me that win the lotto. And I must hear me voice now in the head and not do the exam. Guys, come on, what's the bearing? No, sir, this real difficult. All right, make you think about it. Come. What is the bearing of O from A? So from A, guys, what is the bearing of O? Remember, it's a clockwise movement. Says all around here, so. All around here, so one. What is that angle? All right, may I get hungry right now? Because maybe I talk too much in my life. I'm hungry now. And I'm not season the shrimp yet. God. Right, see? Get rid of that mentality. Okay? So yeah, Z angles. This one in a Z angle. Yeah, right? See, Z angles are in a song. Ah, yeah, so. So right here, all right, is a from Z angles. So if in a 30, right, see? But yes, what that be? Mary saying A, guys. Nick saying A. Me hungry now. Talk to me, people. Talk to me. I'll go brush up on the angles. Yeah. Brush up, man. You can start weed too. Some weeding good too. Weed up a place. In this case, your brain. So yeah, guys. If Z angles are formed from this line to here is 30. That means the angle in here is also 30. We know the angle at a point equal 360. So if it's angle is 30, to find the angle on the outer part, you have to say 360 minus 30 to give us 330. So the answer is at A. So persons who said A, well done. Persons who have A pen and paper in front of them and don't want to say nothing to me, same thing to you. Well done. Big up yourself. You know, some people have A and they not say a word. Because they don't want to say, look like they're wrong or something. Which, guys, is okay to be wrong at times, you know? Be wrong right here, so I'm perfect the exam. Because me not go judge you with 6, you go judge you with the ABC labeling. So don't worry yourself. Like me. Can't believe me never call I never call her name. Do master. I never call her name, Campbell. You hear me say? Like me. No, sir. Love you, know? God know. Make me day, me I tell you. Every day me come on the live, me feel nice. When me come out the exam, me I go, of course, right? See? Good, you no, smile sound too good. You grin off your teeth. You go run to the exam room like bolt. You hear me say? Like I had a student in my class, you know, guys. In exam time, I know saying pass. Boy, took up him bag. I say, took up him bag and bleed out of the classroom like somebody around back at him, people. You hear me say? Took up him bag and run out of the classroom. Like somebody run after him. It's because I know saying pass the exam. So rice, you know, when exam come, yeah, come out of the exam and you go bolt out. Peel out upon your face, rice. Me, I tell you, me know you gonna do well, man. Me know you all not gonna do well. Me can't tell you. Me feel it, me feel it, me feel it. Mm. This new to you? Lie, I tell. Lie, lie, lie. Sorry, me can't sing this song. We're picking it now, man. The thing at school. You lie, you lie, you lie. Some, whoo, Jesus. Something about donkey, I don't want to say that part upon the video because I'm going to say me rude. So, guys, this is a right angle triangle, okay? You want to find the angle at BAC. That means the letter in the middle here tells you what angle is being observed. I hope you all understand that part. This is letter A, so it's the angle at A. I'm going to call that theta. After you observe your angle, you can go ahead and label your sides. So, observing the angle, go ahead, label your sides. Opposite to the angle, opposite side. Adjacent to the angle, the adjacent side. And this side is opposite to the largest angle, so that's the hypotenuse. All right? I hope everybody got that part. After having this, guys, we know it's a right angle triangle, so only 3 ratios you can use. So, Dinsmore, Toa. So you normally use this to find length of sides, but you also use it to find the angle as well. All right, use the ratio to find the angle. So we're given the opposites and the hypotenuse, so we have to use so. Cool. We have to use sine. So the sine of an angle theta is equal to the opposite side over the hypotenuse. Let's put in what we know. Sine of the angle, we don't know, which is A. Opposite side is 8.7 all over 15.4. If you want to find the missing angle, you have to say sine inverse of this particular length. So the angle is equal to sine inverse of whatever the length is. So the length is 8.7 over 15.4. Tell me if you don't get that. At the same ratio, guys. Normally, you are used to be given an angle here, so to find a side. But now I cannot switch it up, like really switch it up, and I took out the angle and I gave it the two. Brittany said no. Gave it the two lengths to find the angle. All right. When you're finding a missing angle in a right angle triangle, you use any of the 3 ratios. So, Katoa, sine, cosine, tangent. You get that part. This is used to find missing angle and length of a side. All right? Missing angle and missing length, all 3 of them, of a right angle triangle. So, BAC telling me that angle A is what they want me to observe because A is in the middle. Okay? So, it's right here. After you observe your angle, you go ahead, okay, Natalie, and you label your sides. So the side opposite to the angle is known as the opposite side. The side adjacent to the angle is the adjacent side. And the longest side, or the side opposite to the largest angle, is known as the hypotenuse. You're supposed to get that too. So you label your sides then. After doing that, you look to see what you are given. You are given the opposite. Don't worry yourself. The 3 sig figure that come in if you have to go work out this near calculator. So don't worry about the 3 significant figure part. What was I saying? So I was saying, guys, you label your sides, observe what you're giving. You're giving the opposite side, you're giving the hypotenuse. After doing this, you go ahead and you figure out which of these three ratios have to do with opposite and hypotenuse. Particular, what that? Dang. So we know the sine ratio, guys, is used to it requires opposite and hypotenuse. So we use sine ratio. So the sine of an angle is equal to the opposite side over the hypotenuse. Based on what we have here, the opposite side is 8.7. Let me put it right here. So the hypotenuse is 15.4. Let me put it right here. So when you want to find an angle, you go sine inverse. Say either say tan inverse, cos inverse, or sine inverse. Some people call this arc. I think they call it arc sine. I think that's the word they use. Arc sine, arc tan, and arc cos. Still mean the inverse of the angle of the ratio. So the angle, guys, is equal to sine inverse of 8.7 over 15.4. And that's the answer. So 8.7, 15.4, the answer is at C. When we made it, guys, it's because you guys are used to just find the length of sides. You're not seeing this part of it. Miss, how you know that they didn't how you know that they didn't go as far as the inverse for answer A? How you know that they didn't go as far as the inverse? Do you mean for this one? This one is the same as all the inverse, but look at what they give you here. They give you in the bracket is different. So even though A and C, guys, they're saying sine inverse, in the bracket it's saying the hypotenuse over the opposite. And the ratio here is incorrect because it's going to be the opposite over the hypotenuse. So it couldn't be A even though A also has sine in it. It has to be C. Okay, Nick, bye-bye. Take care. It has to be C, guys, because the opposite come first, then the hypotenuse in the denominator. This one has the hypotenuse over the opposite, so it couldn't be that. So even though you find the inverse of the ratio, guys, you don't flip the sides. They don't change the sides around. They remain the same. It's not because it's the inverse that you're going to flip this and say hypotenuse or opposite. You can't do that. No. You have to keep the ratio as it is and just find the inverse of the angle. I'm going to give you a sine inverse of that. Tell me someone to get this one. Okay, Nick. Good night, good night, good night. Good night, Nick. That's what I was thinking because the inverse. Okay, I understand what you're saying. I totally understand what you're saying. Take the Guinness and reading. I'm not doing this tonight. So guys, this one is for the road, you know, cause right now I'm tired like puppy nose. This one is for the road. Miss, I got the C. Yeah, C is the answer. Okay, understand. All right. I'm glad to understand it. All right, see homework here. I eat the road right now. Cause right now, my teacher tell like puppy right now. I don't want to say like dog. I go say like puppy. Even though, who laughed at me last night? Susan or Simone? Somebody laughed at me last night. And say LOL puppy. But yeah, guys, see it here. So on the homework. And yeah, you subject of the formula, yeah. We say too simple for homework. Let not say too simple for homework. Nice to know y'all. Let's do it again. No. Boss head dismiss, Lord God, hear I see. No, hear people no hear I see. People, no hear I see. Yeah, guys. Subject of the formula. Earth up my head. No. Find V. Always do the opposite operation. If they multiply, you divide. If they divide, you multiply. Let me do my key again. Every time I put it somewhere, I can't find it. So the whole place full of paper. I must teach, you know? I teach alone. I some teachers have paper in the yard. Everywhere you go, guys, in the room, you can find paper. I'm telling you. Now look at the room here. I must go make a one workstation because I couldn't manage my dossier right now. Now my immediate space. I tell you, guys, everywhere I turn a piece of paper, I book up on it. You hear me? Everywhere I turn, I have a piece of paper with some from my maths. No, sir. Come, guys, that's the homework. No, shoot it off. Quick, quick, quick. Maths it up. Quick, quick, quick. Shoot it off, guys. Let me see what I'll go on. Even though I'm not talking about the question still. Because y'all know, me done. Every time I always do that, we don't know. Going to homework, I end up being back in our class. Me not do it back today. I hate that. Let's see if people are talking to me. Ooh. I can't find the key. Oh, see this one. Alright, this one drape me up. Look here. How is that Campbell? No, sir. Prayer needed for this exam. Come on, guys. It's not that bad. Come on, come on, come on. Brittany is saying C. Alright. Brittany, how can you be saying C and saying help? No. Stand your point. Stand your ground, Brittany. Which of them you want to say? Guys, observe it, guys. So these two, alright, they are multiplying. You want to get to V. So get rid of this M first. Remember, you always carry out the opposite operation. If it's multiplying, you divide. Whatever you divide this side by, do the same thing on that side here. So I say I don't want to do it, and if I say I'm going to do it, feel like I'm going to do it. I'm just telling you I'm not doing it. Me set some vectors and matrices. Alright, yeah. Yeah, I did plan to do that because I never like how they respond to the one I give them today. So I did plan to do that. So look at it, guys. So E is equal to mv square. You want to find V. But these two are multiplying. So you have to divide by whatever you don't want. Cool? Divide both sides by M. This one cancels this. Do it, miss. Yeah, may I do it. So V square is equal to E over M. To cancel square, you have to find the square root. So square root cancel square. Alright, because on 2 they out here so. So square root cancel square. If you go to the third power, you find the third root. If you go to the fourth power, you find the fourth root. Or whatever it may be, you find the root of it. And when I say you must find the root, I mean everything over here, so to cover under the root sign. Cool? So if we find the root of this, you have to say the root of both sides. So this cancel this. So V is equal to the root of E over M. Look if you don't see no answer on the paper. Look if you don't see no answer right this one. I hope I did it simple enough, guys, so you guys understand. If you don't see answer, guys, you know, big up on the screen and we see the complete thing. But yeah, O'Neil, I'm gonna bring some of that tomorrow. Yeah. So me can find some similar to the one we do today. Come never like only respond to it at all. Like I say, I'm foreign. I can go to one different country, me I talk one different language. But yeah, guys. That's it for tonight. It's good to have you all, please, and thanks. Yeah, most welcome, most welcome. Yeah, guys, that's it for tonight. No teacher tired right now, I'm hungry. Janelle, thank you so much for your help. Yeah, most welcome, Janelle, most welcome. You guys know that I love you all, you know? On the bottom of my heart, I love you all on. And I feel like I know you for a long time, girl. And maybe me know maybe 2 people in here, so we know. In all. Yeah, Mary, take care. It's good to have you here. See you again tomorrow, 4:30. And you guys know if something come up, I'm going to know I'm going to be later. But let's pray that me come 4:30 and nothing happen extra cause I can't take it. Yeah, so good night guys. Let me repeat what you said for the second line. For the second line here, I'm saying to cancel square, you find the square root. To cancel cube, you find the cube root. To cancel fourth, you find the fourth root. So you find the square root of both sides. So this square cancel the root and the root go over everything here. So answer is right here. V is equal to the root of E over M. Oh, Nicole live in Kingston. Okay, that's nice. Yeah, girl, 2.5 hours from me. No, sir. That far so till me ear tone, you see? Honestly. Place too hot, man. And crowded. But me love my country, though. Me love my country. Me love my country. Alright, young DK. Sleep well. Take care. Take care. Yeah, what's fat? Ricey, go repeat the live and start and leave me, please. Go repeat the live, Ricey. Go on, go repeat the live. Bring back the red something for your screen. Young DK say replay. So I'm saying that a square cancels the square root to cancel it, to cancel a cube, the cube root. So because here we had v square, right? See, we had to, here we had v square, so we want to cancel the square, so we get v by itself. So you find the square root of both sides, okay? So square root this, and this cancel the square root. So v is equal to the root of E over M. So yeah, guys, bye to everybody. I love you all. Right, see, I hope that part was clear for you. Okay, I hope it was clear for you. May I cook some food now, guys? Hungry there, tie up my tripe. Tie me up. But yeah, guys, I love you all. Take care. Peace out. See you all tomorrow, 4:30. Come up with an A game. If you have questions to ask, guys, you can always check me out on Instagram or Facebook. Look for the picture you see on this YouTube thingy, and you'll find me there as well. I'll respond to you if I see message on time. But yeah, guys, later. Take care. And thanks everybody for being here, and thanks for the support, guys. Going to join late, don't miss. Okay, Ricey, I understand. But me know see your brain good like that, so you can easily catch up. Yeah. Telling you from now. Okay. You know me come tomorrow, Miss Log ask, where's Ricey? Anybody see Ricey? You know my style already. So yeah, guys. Good night.